Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your history from Google Chrome. It's quite straightforward when you know how, so let's hit that like button and get into it. Okay guys, so in order to actually navigate to the history, we want to head over to the top right hand corner, just where we have our Google avatars and accounts. In the three dots, top right hand corner, click on that. Scroll down, you're going to find something called history. Then across here, you're going to find history, okay? Now, if you click on that, it's going to load up this tab here. It's going to show you all the different history of what's been going on your device. Okay, there is a shortcut to this as well, which means if you're just on Google Chrome here, for example, you hit Control H, it's going to also load up the same page. Now, this is going to load up all of your recent history. So you can see the date, you can see the time in which you visited specific websites. And inside here, you can, of course, choose to delete a few things. I'm going to tick the boxes here. You'll see at the top, it says to selected, and then we can go over to where it says delete. You could also open those tabs if you wanted to. I'm just going to go ahead and click on delete. It's going to say, do you sure you want to delete these pages from your history? You're going to click on yes, delete. And basically this allows you to cherry pick specific pages or websites from your most recent history and then delete them. Okay, that will not affect any of your other history within Google Chrome. Now, on the far left-hand side, you have something called browsing data, or delete browsing data to be specific. Now from here, this is going to open up your main settings. Okay, this is basically Google Chrome settings, and it's going to navigate directly to your browsing data. Now here you get several different options. You have the ability to delete all browsing data for the last 15 minutes, the last 1 hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, and then there's more option. Click on that. You've got the last 4 weeks or all time. Now, you've got lots of different options. You choose whichever one best suits your needs. You can see underneath that, you've got things that it would delete. You've got browsing history, right? You've got cookies and more site data. You've got cached images and files, and you've got your download history. You can also click on show more, and there's a few other options here as well. Autofill form data, site settings, and hosted app data, right? Once you're happy with all of that and your settings, you would simply go ahead and click your delete the data. That's basically going to remove all of that data from your browsing history, your cookies, cached images, all of it would be deleted based on these settings here. Okay, so again, this is a great way to clean things up if you wanted to, but otherwise you would typically just come to your history and then you can cherry pick out the ones you don't want. For example, if I didn't want this particular one here, I can come over to this ones line, if I find the three dots, and then I can go ahead and basically delete that one line from the history. Okay, so you can cherry pick out exactly what it is that you're looking to delete, or you can delete all of your data in the last 15 minutes, last hour, depending on your own requirements. And so it really is that easy to delete your data from Google Chrome. If you have found this useful or informative, hit that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.